Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and HUAWEI Nova 10. In this video I'll show you how to cut screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and on your smartphone enter YouTube. Now, press the cast button located at the top of the screen and select your TV. Now when both devices are connected, you can play any music you'd like on your smartphone and it will be displayed on TV. To disconnect, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.